Jesus. Oh, thank you, God.
That's a good one.
Oh, that's a good one. Stop blaming us for everything. Where the father at? That's a shame. That's a shame. And shout out to all my Caucasian friends that's listening to this right now. Please, 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 do not let Donald Trump break us up. Do not let Donald Trump break us up.
What's
All your
happen?
white friends.
Man, all my white friends, I tell them all the time, we've been getting along. We done had little skirmishes here and there. But right now, don't let us break us up. The most unqualified.
You want to keep your white friends.
Yeah, I want to keep him.
You don't want Donald Trump to come between us.
He come between us, man. He trying to break us up. And for my Latinos, man, that's here illegal, start moving. Assimilate, start getting in. Go to the club, find you a sister, marry him, get you a card. Hillary like Sugar Ray Leonard, she's blowing it, kid. She's blowing it. She's blowing it. She's blowing it.
God.
I know it. And I don't understand. Tell me this. Why women are not supporting Hillary as a woman?
Young women especially.
She's everything. She earned it. Secretary of State,
Yeah.
Senator,
Bill's wife.
Bill's wife stuck by him when it went through there.
Yes.
The whole world knew her husband. That's why I'm voting for her.
See?
And she stayed strong.
That's right.
You understand?
She stayed by his
I mean,
side.
the world knew. A lot of brothers.
Your woman wouldn't stay with you?
Man, my woman left me over a phone number. She ain't got no fortitude. Who's this number? It was the Pizza Hut. Everything. Family, all divorce, everything, Tom.
You didn't have a dress or
I ain't
nothing?
had no dress. Didn't even know the girl at the counter. You understand? Left everything. Broke the family up. Sued me over a phone number. And didn't nobody know but me and her and the Lord.
And Hillary stood by.
Stood by. Look
when the
at
whole world knew about
whole
it.
world.
And that's why she's got your vote.
Listen, she's
strong.
qualified.
Yeah.
What is he qualified? This man ain't never been a city councilman, a senator, a representative, mayor. He probably ain't never been class president. How is he qualified to anything? Just woke up one morning and say, I want to be president.
That's right.
Yeah, I told my friends, that's the white way. They just feel he could just wake up one morning and feel he qualified.
And what your white friends say, man?
Come on, Quake, now. I said, listen, man, don't let him break us up. Yo, jeez, Quake. Jeez. You know them the word awesome and all that. No, come on, man. He's not qualified to be president at all.
Meanwhile,
Trump
Barack's
universe ain't
qualified.
worth
They hate
nothing.
him. They hate
Right.
Barack.
Talk-
Yeah. They
talk
hate
about the
Barack. He's
president,
qualified
yeah.
and they hate him.
Oh, Barack did everything, but you can look at Barack. He ready to get off. I know a black man when he ready. He throw these 8 years. Yeah, it's 5 o'clock. He get off at 5. It's 4:15. Barack walking around looking what to do for the last 45 minutes. If he had a regular job, he'll just sit in the bathroom. Just sit on the toilet. Start like, yeah, I'm gonna walk back in there about 10 minutes, grab my stuff. Not ready for it, man. Then all that pressure, that boy, look at Barack, ain't gained a pound in 8 years. Still got a waist of 32. You understand? You ain't never seen no black man with a waist of 32 that long. He's ready to go. He's ready to get up out of here, man.
You're right.
Doing what they doing to my brother, man.
right.
But he was the best. And they talk about he ain't do nothing for black people. He brought them gas prices back down. I'm back giving black people rides again. When the gas was high, I was real bad on people. I was shaky. I was no good. My son like, Daddy, take me to school. I would. But I ain't even going that way. See, I would have to take a left, and I need to make that right, catch that light, get over the bridge. Tell your mama take it. She ain't doing nothing. She ain't never took you nowhere sitting around here. That's it. Gas was high on me, man. It was it. We having it, man. It's good to see you, brother.
Hey, earthquake.
Yeah, man. When I'm going to get back on the cruise, man? I ain't been on the cruise in 92 years. Since my family drunk up all the Hennessy, y'all done abandoned us.
And they're still talking
family.
about
Well,
that.
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
Lord, yeah, your family, man.
Yes.
Hey,
yes.
listen,
We
Jay.
had to pull over
And
take
get more Hennessy.
and take a collection. We had to pass
from
the hat.
from a pirate ship.
From a pirate ship. From a pirate. See, Jay.
Quake's family came on the cruise.
Oh, my God.
And this is the truth. This is the truth. They drank up all the Hennessy,
All the Hennessy.
on a
yeah.
black cruise.
See, CJ, I don't.
Almost a mutiny.
I expect that from him. But CJ will stay on the cruise. Happen on the cruise. Supposed to stay on the cruise. Soon
Not
as y'all
anymore.
dock,
Not anymore.
send it all telegrams. You know, Quake's family on here. Just embarrassing my family. But we going back on that cruise. That was one of the greatest times ever in life.
Come on.
I'm coming back on there. I got to find out when it's happening again.
All right, you gonna stay around for a little while?
Yeah, I'm here with you, man.
Okay.
All right.
We'll do another break.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Okay. Everybody breathe.
Okay.
Okay.